Okay guys, so we arrived to the second island. Anyway, yung kanina kasi mabilisan lang. Dito daw 1 hour. So mga ano yung tubig dito. Sabi nila, ito yung lulubog lilitaw. And then pwede ka magpa-picture dito like yung pinapalaki nila yung ikaw. So you can see. Ayan. Dala ko pa rin yung aking snorkel here. Pag nagta-travel ka talaga, no? Iba yung nakikita mo sa Instagram sa tunay na buhay. Everything is on the rush. Laging nagmamadali, lalo na pag joiners ka. And we stay here for 3 days, 2 nights. Later, alis na kami, diretso na kami sa airport. Ayan, so good thing is dala-dala ko tong GoPro. Actually, it's the DJI Osmo Pro. Swimming ako dito or more on photo taking because it's shallow waters. Para siyang sandbar. As you can see, may mga hammock doon. Maybe we can take a photo in that area. Pwede ka namang mag-swimming later. I'm not sure kung meron dito mga fishes. Meron naman, maliliit nga lang. So let's explore the island. It's more of like tambay. Okay lang namang itim na tayo kasi minsan lang naman tayo magbakasyon. This is one of my favorite spots na actually gusto ko talaga yung mountain sea. If you're looking for that, Palawan is really the place to go. We're here in Puerto Princesa. It's cheapest among all. Pero I enjoy this. It's not too crowded. Unlike pag nag-joiners tayo dun sa Manila. Blue waters here. And then Luli Island to. So lulubog lilitaw. That's what they call it. Kanina tinatawag na ako ng Coast Guard dahil napakalayo ko na. I just wanna see the coral reefs. Anyway, it's more of like it's like Maldives. See? Ang bango. There's inihaw. Nasaan na yung kasama natin? Okay, I brought here my flower. So yeah. Ito siya. Welcome to Luli Island. Let's take it again. Welcome to Luli Island. So lulubog lilitaw daw ang pangalan nito. So ayan, kaya it's one of the 3 places to go sa Island Hopping. It's our day 3 today. So yan. Ang ganda dito, it's like Maldives. So, pag high tide daw dito is wala siya. Kaya naka-elevate yung mga At naputol na ang aking tsinelas. Ayan, it's not too crowded here. We can take a photo there, dun sa there. Yung sa may sand. Medyo masakit siya sa paa dahil wala tayong shoes. It's more of like photos here. Maybe we can just take a photo. People are coming in, so maybe let's go on a rush. Ang ganda dito, oh. Yeah. May hammock din dito wherein you can ganyan. Sakay ka doon. Dito yung pwede kang paliitin yung mga bagay-bagay. Nasaan na kaya siya? Wait, let's explore muna ha. So, ito yung pwede kang magpa-picture. Yan. Andun yung pera natin. Babalik tayo dyan. Later. Wow! It's a castle. Iisganda tayo. Pupunta ako dun sa kabila. And then let's hyperlapse. Hyperlapse? Si boy hyperlapse. Sira na tong tsinelas ko. Oh my God. It's like a shallow water here. Nasaan yung kasama ko? Ang gulo po nito. how I wish to live like this forever. Floating somewhere in Palawan. Thank you, Lord, for having to experience being here. It's my dream place. Soon, maybe, nakarating tayo sa Coron or El Nido. For now, Puerto Princesa is unlocked. See, nakapakatirik ng araw. We're not afraid na umitim. Puputi naman tayo pero hindi tayo lagi nandito. Ay ko, hindi na makabang. So, look at my view! So, mas gusto ko talaga yung mag-isa ako. Let's go! Pwede tayo lumangoy-langoy. Bili na kayo ng Osmo Action 4. Pwede ilubog sa tubig, guys. Yung chinelas ko, iniiwan ko na. Okay, that's a wrong way. Iwan ko pala yung gamit ko doon. Mamaya na nga lang. Sira-sira na ang chinelas ako. Let's go on a dive! Tigdelays ng finger ko. Ayan, may diving board dito. So, tayo natin mag-dive. Kasi tapos na tayong mag-aura-aura. Wala tayong dalang pera para dun sa picture. Magpapapicture ako later. Kukuha ako ng pera. Okay? So, nandito na tayo. So, sulitin na natin. Diba? Oh, my favorite view! Mountains and ang bagal, no? Sorry po. Okay, wait lang. Akit muna ako. May tao na, guys. Wait lang. Panonoodin ko. Sige po, kayo po muna yung tumalon. Panonoodin ko po muna kayo. Okay. Let's go. Tatalon lang tayo ng patayo. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 5. Nakakatakot talaga eh. Pero kailangan natin tumalon. Buhay pa tayo, guys. Buhay pa tayo. Ulitin natin yan. Yung medyo aesthetic na take. Kailangan ko lang demonstration. Okay? Let's enjoy the view.